Wall-mounted bath accessories maximize storage in limited spaces. Take the chill out of contemporary with the warm, muted brushed gold finish of champagne bronze. Long-lasting, durable finish resists corrosion, tarnish, and discoloration. Towel ring measures 7.81 h by 6.38 w by 2.58 d with set screw mounting. Easy installation. All mounting hardware, template, and guide included. Complete your look with the coordinating Linden Bath Collection of accessories, sold separately. Enjoy the look you love for life with Delta's limited lifetime warranty. Complete the look of your bath with this Linden Towel Holder. Delta makes installation a breeze for the weekend DIY by including all mounting hardware and easy-to-understand installation instructions. You can install with confidence. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. Totally satisfied with this product. Great quality and easy instructions. Hardware is much heavier duty than a towel ring I purchased a few years ago at one of those superstores. I will probably replace that one with one of these.